Hi, everyone. My name is Mrs. Brenniger, and I am the librarian here at Turnbow. I cannot believe that it's almost time for school to start, and I am so excited to see you guys. Some of you know me because I've been the librarian here at Turnbow since we opened in 2006, but some of you are new to Turnbow, so I want to kind of let you get to know me. So here we have some pictures of my family. I am married, and my husband's name is Matt. Here's a picture of the two of us when we took a selfie together. And we have twin boys that are 14 years old. They are going into the ninth grade at Central Junior High. Here we have a picture of them from last year when they won the conference championship at Central. They were very excited. Here, they also love to play baseball. We are on a baseball team, and that was when we won a tournament in Branson. And we also just found out they made the HAR-BER baseball team. So we're very excited they'll be on the HAR-BER baseball team. Here we have a picture of the four of us when we went to my niece's wedding, and that's been a year ago. And they've actually even gotten taller now. Already taller than me, but even taller now. There's our family when we went to see the Christmas lights up on the Fayetteville Square. It's very cold that night. And here is our newest addition to our family. This is our puppy named Gunner. And we got him when we kind of got quarantined last March. So he's kept us pretty busy at home since we couldn't go places. So that's just a little bit about my family right there. And then here's some pictures of things I really like. Of course, my family. I love spending time with my family. I love Christmas. So there's a little picture about Christmas, everything Christmas. I love the Christmas movies, Christmas music. I just love the whole feeling of Christmas. I love the Razorbacks. I went to the University of Arkansas, and I still love to go watch them play football and baseball, basketball games. I just love the Razorbacks. Two of my favorite sports are football and baseball. And of course, I love to read since I am the librarian. The music notes show that I just love all kinds of music. I love to sing and dance and just listen to music. And then a couple of my favorite foods, we have pizza and spaghetti. So there's just a little bit about some of my favorite things. And since I am the librarian, let's talk about books. Some of my favorite picture books, I love all the Pete the Cat books. Those are fun. And the Elephant and Piggy books are so fun. Lots of those. And then the Jan Brett books are some of my favorite because of their illustrations. They're just beautiful, beautiful books. And then some of my favorite chapter books, we have Harry Potter, which I've read numerous times. I love the Harry Potter books. And I also love Holes, which is another good one if you haven't read it. So we will be reading lots of different books this year, and I am just so excited to meet you guys and see all those familiar faces. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.